This is obviously about BII. We all know the story. It's a unique and fabulous business model, and I applaud all of you that have supported that model for decades, but especially recently, because there's never been a more critical time to have, I think, thoughtful, commercially oriented capital available in the more difficult markets. It's our pleasure, it's our honor to work with you on some of these projects, and we will continue to do that with all the resolve that we can muster.
We were founded nearly 80 years ago. We were the first DFI globally, and it was a groundbreaking idea to invest in the private sector to drive economic development, or as it was put rather more succinctly at the time, to do good without losing money. I'd love to have you think if there is any other organisation that has had a consistent mission, a consistent approach, and a broadly consistent but evolving strategy over 80 years, commercial or otherwise.
I'm incredibly impressed and proud to be associated with what you do, and I know that over this next period, as we make this strategy come to life, that there are many millions of people and opportunities and communities around the world that will be able to look at what has happened and say, this is because of BII. So thank you very much.
We tend to, in the investment committees, talk about a single investment and how they pay taxes, how they create jobs, the services delivered, etc. And those things matter, but they don't tell the whole story. And the transformative investments that we care the most about are trying to reshape the whole market.
In my travels, I've met businesses that can't grow because of the lack of the right type of capital. Investors who simply can't enter some of these markets because the legal framework and the processes for getting their money both in and out is very complicated. So it is difficult, but that's exactly why these markets matter for us and should matter for you too. When these barriers come down, you really unlock extraordinary potential. This is where every dollar can make significant impact.
We cannot deliver impact at scale without private capital, and it's our job to create the conditions for that capital to invest. By going first, taking on early risk and building credible pathways, we enable private investors to come in behind us. The real measure of success isn't it how much we invest today, but whether the markets we can help build continue to stand and stand on its own tomorrow.
I've actually read the 5-year strategy, every word of it.
Wow.
I was very impressed.
The data that one released last week at the spring meeting shows that financing in Africa, debt financing, has gone up by 91% because of the risk premium, because of the challenges we face around perception. And so BII is telling positive stories, showing results, and galvanizing others to come alongside it is critical.
The fact that BII is putting the least developed countries at the center is one of the 3 big shifts of its strategy is extremely welcome.
Thank you for having the opportunity to feed into the strategy. So welcome to see actually the importance of climate resilience recognised, and also the work on subnationals as well.
I'm really happy with the work that you're doing in Ghana, and there are a lot of opportunities in Africa.
Leslie, congratulations on the strategy. Yes, it's ambitious, but ambition is what we need right now, and I think if you focus on delivering with partners, you can realize the ambition.
Going forward, when we come here next year, Zeinab, we will no longer be talking about how much capital we have deployed, but how much have we mobilized. And over the next 5 years, we've got an ambition in total of deploying roughly 8 billion, which maintains the pace of investment of the last strategy period, despite these cuts in aid. I think we're very proud of the fact that we can, and then additionally mobilize 7 billion. 50 billion is a very material number come out of BII.
This is a remarkable organisation with incredible people who have a commitment that is very hard to understand until you experience it. They live, breathe, eat and sleep this, and they are truly extraordinary. So a huge thanks to the whole organisation at BII. All the very best of luck. Thank you.